Looking for the perfect heat press to elevate your DIY projects? Join me as I dive into the world of heat presses and review some of the top contenders on the market. From Cricut to Sicer and HTV Ront, we'll compare features, performance, and value to help you choose the best heat press for your needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Cricut EasyPress 3. This is an impressive addition to Cricut's line of heat press machines. While it shares specs with the older, more affordable EasyPress 2, the EasyPress 3 introduces several new features that enhance usability, making it a great choice for first-time users. A standout feature is its Bluetooth connectivity, allowing direct communication with the new Cricut Heat app. This app lets you easily manage settings, adjust temperature and timing, and save presets. This streamlined process reduces stress and simplifies your crafting experience. If you appreciate the EasyPress 2 but want a more user-friendly option with access to designs and templates, the Cricut EasyPress 3 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Sicer Craft Heat Press. This is a standout option among traditional HTV machines, blending a classic design with modern digital controls for time and temperature. This reliable and efficient heat press is known for its ease of use, making it a dependable choice for crafters. Sicer has a strong reputation for high-quality HTV materials that yield professional-grade results, giving this machine a solid pedigree. While it may not be as user-friendly as the Cricut range, the Sicer Craft Heat Press is ideal for those seeking durable, high-quality results at a fraction of the cost of the Cricut AutoPress. If you're looking for a workhorse heat press that delivers consistent performance, this is a great pick. Number 3. Cricut EasyPress 2. This is a fantastic choice for crafters, fitting seamlessly into Cricut's lineup of user-friendly machines for hobbyists and small businesses. While it shares specs with the newer EasyPress 3, it lacks the Bluetooth connectivity to the Cricut Heat app, which might be a consideration for some users. Available in 2 sizes and colors, traditional red or the new lilac, the EasyPress 2 can effectively transfer designs in just 60 seconds. It's also noted for its portability, making it easy to transport for various projects. With fully adjustable temperatures up to 180 degrees Celsius and a built-in timer that counts down automatically, you can expect consistent results that endure wash after wash. If you encounter any issues, the ability to repress adhesives quickly extends their lifespan. Number 4. HTV Ront Heat Press. It stands out as a solid alternative to Cricut models, offering a more hands-on experience with greater manual control over temperature settings. While it closely resembles Cricut's design, this feature can be appealing for those who enjoy experimenting with their projects. Though I haven't completed a full review yet, initial testing has been promising. The design includes 2 handle indents for easy lifting, and the manual controls allow for more precise adjustments. The display indicates the plate's temperature, which is a nice touch for keeping track of settings. One of the advantages of the HTV Ront is its price, typically about a third less than the Cricut EasyPress 3. However, the trade-off is that it may require more trial and error to achieve optimal results, which could lead to some wasted materials. Number 5. Cricut EasyPress Mini. If you're looking for a heat press machine that's ideal for smaller tasks, the Cricut EasyPress Mini is a fantastic choice. Its compact heat press area of 8.2 by 4.8 centimeters makes it perfect for working on items like hats, badges, or small patches. The handheld design allows for easy maneuverability around curves and corners, making it particularly useful for intricate projects. While it only offers 3 temperature settings, less than larger machines, these options are adequate for most small-scale applications. It has been praised for its portability and ease of use. So, which heat press reigns supreme? After careful consideration, the Cricut EasyPress 3 takes the crown. Its precise temperature control, even heat distribution, and user-friendly design make it the ideal choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. But remember, the best heat press is the one that fits your specific needs and budget. Happy crafting!